Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the lenses. This protects them and gives clear access to the brake. Use a jeweler's screwdriver and small pliers to stabilize the hinge while you work. If the screw is loose, tighten it firmly but not over tight. Stripped threads need a new screw of the same size. Once the screw is secure, inspect for bent arms or misaligned hinge pins and gently realign with pliers to restore the basic frame geometry before moving to reinforcement. You now decide between low-temperature soldering for steel or brass versus a quality 2-part epoxy for plated or mixed alloys. Clean both mating surfaces thoroughly. Flux or solvent wipe improves bonding. Clamp with soft jaws at the correct alignment so the frame sits true. Apply heat or epoxy per product instructions. After cure or cooling, remove clamping, file and sand any excess to restore profile. Make sure the temples fold smoothly. Correct alignment prevents stress and future breaks. You finish by reinstalling lenses and tightening every screw to a consistent, snug torque so nothing rattles. Buff and polish the repaired area. A thin coat of clear lacquer protects plating and reduces corrosion. Fold and open the temples repeatedly to seat the joint. This reveals any binding or play. If the frame misaligns or a repair fails, loosen the fix, realign the pieces precisely, and redo the reinforcement or consider replacing the hinge entirely as the reliable troubleshooting step to prevent repeat failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.